Everyone, how's it going? This is Honeybook versus Dubsado, and which is the best business tool for your business. First of all, if we look at Honeybooks, who for whom is it mainly made for? It's mainly for if you're an event planner, or if you are a photographer, or work in a very creative industry. In that sense, Honeybook is the better option. But let's say that you run either a consultant or an agency, things like that. It's a service business. In that case, Dubsado is the better option for you. Honeybook is very easy to use, but it has limited customization, while on the other hand, Dubsado, it has more customizations, but there is just a learning curve. So once you get over that learning curve, it's going to be super easy for you. So in short, if you want something that is easy to use, all in one tool, in that case, Honeybook is the way to go, where you want to manage just the client and you know product management or project management. But let's say if you need more automations and you need more work done, you need more stuff done, you need more CRM features, in that case, Dubsado is the better option. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.